Nice one. Well, I decided I'm leaving this location disclosed as much as possible. Just a few locals will probably know where I'm at. They're probably the only ones that actually have permission to be there. And actually the farmer that's let me do this, my wedding gift from him 18 years ago was written permission for hunting and fishing on all his land on a little piece of paper, so I had it laminated, always with me. That's a pretty cool present. Looks like premium tick country. Alright, pretty overgrown. It's gonna be an adventure. That's for sure. I'm not sure what this is gonna be like at all, but we're in it together. Looks pretty crappy right off the bat. Never know. And I can pretty much tell this is already gonna be a bust. It's completely overgrown, tiny. I don't know. Well, if anything, I see some good mushroom hunting areas down below. Oh boy. That's completely taken over with the cattails around. Go on that other edge. You never know what's hiding in these little ponds. I see lots of action though already. Dinkers. Another one. Perfect bait size. Got a bucket of water in the car. I can transfer them. Use them for flathead fishing. Come on. There we go. Another one. Perfect. Come on. Hang on. Come on, open your mouth. Open up. Come on. Whoa. That'll catch an 80-pound flathead right there. Perfect size. Nice one. Oh, right in the mud. I don't think it would matter what you threw in here right now. Hungry little fellers. Oh, got off. pretty fun though. Oh, missed it. Well, if it wasn't for all the moss, this would be a great pond to take a kid to, that's for sure. But we know how moss and kids get along. Not very well. Not very well. Come on, hook up. There we go. Oh, Flathead feast, I'll tell you that. Yeah, man. Got a stringer full already. Game on. Okay. Woohoo. Dandy. Bucket mouth. And that's a stringer full. Well, that didn't take long to fill a full stringer, did it? Cool. Tell you what, I'll bring back my primitive hooks that I made the other day. If you follow me on Instagram. And we'll try it out here, show you how those work. Eh? Be a good time? Right into the mouth. One more, we'll call it good, so I don't have my bucket with me. Oh, missed it. Yep. Oh, perfect. Come on, fellas. Well, that didn't take long. 10 minutes, 15 tops. Bam. I'm gonna put those, I'm gonna make a little live well for them. Keep them alive, do some flathead fishing. So we'll come back and try the primitive hooks. Hope you liked this. Share it if you did. Subscribe if you haven't. We'll talk to you later, but I'm loading up. We're gonna go bow fishing. Peace. Well, that was fun. Big old stringer of fish. My shirt is full of bugs. Ooh. Man, that sun is hot. It's only 55 out, but it feels like 80. It's crazy. Woo! Okay, let's get out of here.